Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today's our topic is what do we plant? The poem we have read yesterday is of English 6th. Today we have to do the textual exercise of this poem. Question number first is, would you agree with the poet that trees are mainly planted for the uses that he mentions? Are there other uses? तो अमुक आंसर देखो इस गोब्रियो. We agree with the poet that trees which we plant do so many things. There are many other advantages not only for man but also for all kinds of life. Question number 2. Many uses can easily be met with other materials. Identify those uses where we can use other material, iron for instance, and thus save the trees. अमुक आंसर लिखो अस. There are many such things which can replace trees. Boats and ships can be made with aluminium. Roofs, windows, doors, and furniture, etc., can be made of such materials. Question number 3. What does the poet mean when he says we plant the house when we plant the tree? अमुक आंसर लिखो इस गोब्रियो. The poet says that if there were no trees, there would be no houses, as the roofs, windows, doors of the houses are possible because of trees. And question number 4. We plant the shade from the hot sun free. What does this line suggest about the importance of trees? answer The line suggested that there would be no shade if there were no trees. Trees give us cool shade free. The impact question number 5. How many times is the question what do we plant when we plant the tree repeated in the poem? Why do you think the poet does this? अमुक answer लिखो अस. It has been repeated 3 times. The poet stresses on our minds the importance of trees. Impact question number 6. What will happen if we keep on only using the trees? The अमुक answer क्या लिखो अस. If we keep on only using trees, the trees may disappear one day. All animals and human life will be faced with difficulties. Impact question number 7. Add 3 more words of your own to each row that rhyme with the words given. Rhyming words लेखन इमन हिशी आवाज आस अच्छ त्रे त्रे दिथ इमन छ बे त्रे लेखन सहित और छ दिथ ट्री 3v अमुक लेखो अस फ्री स्प्री ग्ली अम पछ ब्याख शिप टिप लिप अमुक लेखो अस निप रिप सिप अम पछ ब्याख यू स्यू च्यू अमुक लेखो अस रिव म्यू न्यू अम पछ ब्याख गोब्रियो शेड मेड फेड अमुक लेखो अस राइमिंग वर्ड जेड पेड लेड अम पछ ब्याख पार्ट्स कार्ट्स चार्ट्स अमुक लेखो अस राइमिंग वर्ड आर्ट्स डाट्स नॉट्स तो इत कन गो ये सबक मुकम्मल तो बिहु खुदायस हवाल. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.